Hi there, and welcome to my new YouTube channel. This is the first in a series of short videos where I'll be showing various rendering techniques and methods that I've been applying to my work as an illustrator over the past 25 years. Hopefully there's one or two things in here that are new to you and you can learn by and apply to your work immediately. And if not, at the very least, hopefully you enjoy the videos. If you do and you'd like to see more content, please subscribe on the button below. I shall be adding more videos and content as and when I can. I think that's all that can be said, so please sit back, relax and enjoy the videos. Bye.